Okay, today we're going to warm up with Sound Wordle. This is a 4-sound word, and my hint for you is that it is a predictable vowel team word. Let's quickly review predictable vowel teams. Ready, go. A-I says A like train in the beginning and the middle of a word. A-Y says A like play. O-A says O like boat. O-E says O like toe, only at the end. E-E says E like tree, at the beginning, the middle, or the end. Good job. I-G-H says I like night, only at the end or followed by a T. So are you going to guess words with short vowels?
Yes.
No! You're going to only guess words with predictable vowel teams in them. Everybody look at the anchor poster if you need a reminder. Who has a guess? Okay. Jace, guess.
Float.
Float. Everybody tap out the word float.
Float.
There is no F. There is no L. There is no OA. And there is no T. Bom, bom, bom. Who has guess number 2?
Creep.
Creep. Everybody tap out creep. Ooh, try P again without saying P. We're going to say P. Good job. There is no C. There is an R, and you even got it in the right spot. There is no P-E, and there is no P. Who wants to guess? Now, we already know. You've just established that what does it have? It has an R blend. So everybody look at the R blend poster. Okay. Give me another guess. Who has guess number 3?
Train.
Train. Everybody tap out train. T-R-A-N. T-R-A-N. What did I just write?
Train.
What do I need to do to make that A long?
Put the A in the I.
Okay, are you ready? There is no T. There is an R. There is an AI in the right spot. And are you ready? There is an N. Nice job. Okay, who has the 4th guess? So now we know that this word rhymes with what?
Train.
Rhymes with rain, right? Rhymes with train. Good job. Okay, who has the next guess? Liam.
Brain.
What is it?
Brain.
Brain. Everybody tap out brain. All right, try your B tap again. It shouldn't sound like B. There you go. Okay, you are so close, but it is not brain. You have 2 final guesses. Are you ready? Give me a guess, Isaac.
Drain.
Drain. Tap it out. D-R-A-N. D-R-A-N. Are you ready? Ding, ding, ding.